Hello viewers, today I have published a new video for you in order to discuss voice change. I have already published another video with definition of voice change, classification, etc. Today I am going to discuss some important voice change for you. Number 101, do it. It is imperative sentence. So at first we will use let. Imperative sentence in passive voice, it is started with let. Do it, let it be done. Let it be done. Next, on 102, let the sum be done. Same as 102 and 101 is similar sentence. One is passive and another is active. So active into passive and passive into active. Let the sum be done. Do the sum. What will be? Do the sum. Let the sum be done. Next, 103. Who is wanted by you? Active voice. Who is wanted by you? Whom do you want? As it is present indefinite tense, so do will be auxiliary verb in case of present indefinite tense. So who is wanted by you, active voice will be whom do you want. Who is subject here, who will be object whom. Who subject, object whom. Whom do you want? Next, 104. Cyclone Amphan was found in the Bay of Bengal by us. By us may be silent. Cyclone Amphan was found in the Bay of Bengal by us. Active voice. We will change this voice into active. How? By us. By will be omitted and us will be we. We found Cyclone Amphan in the Bay of Bengal. If there is no by plus us, we must assume that there is somebody, someone, etc. So how can we change this voice into active? Cyclone Amphan was found in the Bay of Bengal. What will be? We found Cyclone Amphan in the Bay of Bengal. Or somebody, if there is no by plus us, we can use somebody. Somebody found Cyclone Amphan in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, in the Bay of Bengal will not be subject because it is prepositional phrase. In the Bay of Bengal, it is prepositional phrase, so it will not be subject. Remember it. Next, number 105. Whom did you want? Whom did you want and who is wanted by you? Number 105 and number 103 similar. Active, passive into active and active into passive. Who is wanted by you? Number 103. Whom do you want? Number 105. Whom did you want? Passive voice. Who was wanted by you, because it is past tense and interrogative sentence. Whom interrogative pronoun. Whom object, subject will be who. Who was wanted by you, was because it is past tense, so this sentence requires was, were and past participle of main verb. So whom did you want? Who was wanted by you. Next, 106. Super cyclone Amphan may destroy our locality. What will be? Super cyclone Amphan may destroy our locality. Passive voice. Our locality, subject, our locality object, it will be subject. So our locality may be destroyed by the by super cyclone Amphan. Okay, what will be? Our locality may be, might be modal verb. If there is modal verb, we will use be, modal verb plus be plus past participle of main verb. So what will be? Our locality may be destroyed by super cyclone Amphan. Okay, next 107. How will we protect the cyclone affected people? How will we protect the cyclone affected people? Future indefinite tense. So what will be? How, interrogative pronoun. How will not be changed. How. So how will not be changed and how will be placed at the very beginning of the sentence. So we know in interrogative sentence, interrogative pronoun is placed before. How will you protect the cyclone affected people? How will the cyclone affected people be protected by us? What will be? How will the cyclone affected people be protected by us? Will be, and past participle of main verb protect, protected. The cyclone affected people is object, it will be subject. So what will be in passive voice? The cyclone affected people, how will the cyclone affected people be protected by us? Next 108. She killed herself. If there is she killed herself, he helped himself, etc. Self verb and self object, herself, himself, ourselves, themselves, it will not be subject. The subject will not be changed. So how we can change this sentence into passive voice? She killed herself, she was killed by herself. Herself will be by herself, themselves will be by themselves, ourselves will be by ourselves, yourself will be by yourself in passive voice. Okay, what will be? She killed herself, she was killed by herself. Next 109. They are helped by themselves. They are helped by themselves. It is active voice, it is passive voice. 108, 108 and 109 similar. One is passive and another, it will be active voice. It will be active voice, not passive, because it is passive voice. They are helped by themselves. It is passive voice, it will be active voice. How we can change it into active voice? They are helped by themselves. Themselves will not be changed. They, subject will be same. They helped themselves. Only are and by will be omitted and help will be help. They help themselves. Okay, what will be? They help themselves in order to solve active voice. And passive voice, they are helped by themselves. So themselves, herselves, yourselves will not be changed. It will be by plus themselves, herselves, yourselves, myself, etc. And subject will be same, subject will not be changed. Next 110. We are going to prevent coronavirus. Passive voice. What will be? If there is going to plus verb. What will be? If there is going to plus verb. Going to plus verb. Going to plus verb. We can change this voice into without changing going to. Going to plus be plus past participle of main verb. What will be? Going to verb, in case of solve the passive voice, going to plus be plus past participle of main verb, and subject will be object and object will be subject. So how can we change this voice? We are going to prevent coronavirus. Coronavirus is going to be prevented. Going to be prevented. Going to be prevented by us. What will be? Coronavirus is going to be prevented by us. Okay. So now for today, again say to you, you all are advised and requested to follow this sentence and follow my lecture. If you follow my lecture, I hope that this video will be helpful to you. Needs no telling. I wish you every success in life. No more today. Thank you all.